Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going through another tutorial on the TI Inspire CX2 CAS calculator. And this one we'll be going through exercise 1F on the Cambridge Maths Methods Unit 3 and 4. And this is on question 16F. So this will be on inverse functions. So yeah, so in this case we have gx equals to 1 over x minus 1 to the power of 3 over 4 plus 2. So in this case, because the calculator can find the inverse function very quickly, and because the question is asking for the domain as well of the inverse function, so what we should do in this case is to plot it out in order to see what the range is of the original function. Because as we all know, the domain of the inverse function is the range of the original function. So let's get to that first. And so I'll just bring up my calculator here. So here I've got a fresh new page on the graph here. So you can see it's a blank page. And then basically we just type that in. The function is so g of x. So it's so first of all we want to bring up the fraction. So you press the squiggly bracket here so you can see on my screen here. So what you want to select is yeah, this one here for fraction. So you can see there, that's that one there. So you press enter and then you want to type that in. So this is 1 over the x minus 1. So x minus 1 and then to the power of 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 and then just do the plus 2. Okay, and then you just press enter, and then so you get something like this. So that's the graph you can kind of see there. So it's kind of like half of a hyperbola. So if you don't believe that's the full graph, so what you can do is you can go to menu. So you can press menu, and then you can press number 4. So you can see there, you can go to number 4, and then you can go to A for auto zoom. So you can see there, you can go to A for auto zoom, and then what you should get is the auto zoom, and it's still the same graph there. So that's the best fit. So what you can see here is that the range is from positive 2 to infinity. So you can write that down on the sheet. So let me just bring that up real quick. Okay, so yeah, you can see here on my screen here, screenshot. So we can first do the range of f of x is 2 to infinity. So I'll just write 2 to infinity like so. Okay, and then now we need to find the inverse. So the inverse is really quick with the calculator. So what you want to do is you can do the quick switch of the screen here. So you can just go press on this button here. Then you flip over back to the main calculator page. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the solve function. So you press menu and then you press 3 for algebra and then you can select 1 for solve. So you want to go to that solve function first. So you press 1 and then what you want to do is you want to make x your subject and then you press equal and then you just do the function. So it was 1 over. So you use the fraction again and then you just press 1 over and instead of x, so you put brackets y and then minus 1 and then to the power of, so the power is just this one here underneath the equal button. So you can see that's the uh, button for power. So if you press this one here, press that. So that will give you the power there. Okay. And then you just do 3 divided by 4. So you can just do that, 3 divided by 4. And then you just do the plus 2. And then make sure you put comma. So the comma is just down here. So you can see there's a comma there underneath the pi button. So you can see there, you press that. So that will basically tell the calculator that you want to solve for y. So you press y afterwards. So at the end, you should get something like this on your calculator. So solve x equals to 1 over y minus 1 to the power 3 over 4 plus 2 comma y. Then just straight away press enter. And you'll take some time to load. And there you have it. So the answer is y equals to 1 over x minus 2 to the power 4 over 3 plus 1. So that's that one there. And so the other one is just basically telling you it's x is bigger than 0. So which is the domain that we solved before. So we can just quickly write that in. So this one here. So you can see there, so your final answer is so your G inverse of x is equals to 1 over this will be x minus 2 and then 4 over 3 plus 1. And then the domain is x is bigger than 2. And that's it. So yeah, hopefully that has helped you with the CAS calculator. So if you've got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. See you.